student. I hope you are doing well. I am Pramod Chand Joshi, your mathematics teacher. Today we will study chapter 3, understanding quadrilaterals. Exercise 3.1. Now question number 1 given here are some figures. यहाँ पर कुछ फिगर दिए हुए हैं. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 6, 7 figure. Classify each of them on the basis of following: simple curve, simple closed curve, polygon, convex polygon and concave polygon. अब आप देख रहे हैं यहाँ पर सिंपल कर्व कौन कौन से हैं. फर्स्ट यहाँ पर ये फर्स्ट एक तो ये हो गया. सेकेंड भी सिंपल कर्व है. सेकेंड, फर्स्ट, सेकेंड और उसके बाद फिफ्थ. फर्स्ट, सेकेंड, फिफ्थ और उसके बाद सिक्स भी सिंपल कर्व है और 7 भी सिंपल कर्व. नेक्स्ट सिंपल क्लोज कर्व. क्लोज, ये भी सिंपल क्लोज, यही सेम सिंपल क्लोज कर्व है. तो आप जो ऊपर हैं वही सिंपल क्लोज कर्व है. फर्स्ट, सेकेंड, फिफ्थ, सिक्स एंड 7. These are simple close भी हैं, सिंपल कर्व, सिंपल क्लोज कर्व. अभी आपका ये देखिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है पॉलीगन कौन कौन से हैं. तो आप पॉलीगन यहाँ पर देखिए. पॉलीगन जो स्ट्रेट लाइन से मिलकर बना होता है, क्लोज कर्व, सिंपल क्लोज कर्व बाय स्ट्रेट लाइन सेगमेंट. तो ये पहला वाला फर्स्ट वाला हो गया. ये है पॉलीगन. एक तो ये हो गया. ये है फर्स्ट और सेकेंड भी पॉलीगन है. ये पॉलीगन. फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड आर पॉलीगन. एंड नाउ डी कॉन्वेक्स पॉलीगन. कॉन्वेक्स पॉलीगन ईच एंगल लेस देन 180 डिग्री. तो इसमें देख रहे हैं कि पॉलीगन ईच एंगल 100 लेस देन 180 डिग्री. ये आपका सेकेंड वाला फिगर है और ई पार्ट है आपका कॉनकेव पॉलीगन. कॉनकेव पॉलीगन वन एंगल मोर देन 180 डिग्री. तो ये आपका कॉनकेव पॉलीगन हो गया. ये कॉनकेव पॉलीगन है. स्टूडेंट, नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. हाउ मेनी डायगोनल्स डज ईच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग हैव? फर्स्ट, कॉनकेव क्वाड्रिलेटरल, रेगुलर हेक्सागन, सी ए ट्रायंगल. Convex quadrilateral. So convex quadrilateral, this is convex quadrilateral. AC and DB are two diagonals. Two diagonals. Now regular hexagon. This is A part, B part, this is three diagonals. There are 9 diagonals in a hexagon. And triangle, no diagonal. Now I will tell you how to find the diagonals, number of diagonals. Suppose this is quadrilateral, the formula is n into n minus 3 upon 2. This is the formula of finding diagonals of a polygon. So here is this is quadrilateral, so n equal to 4 minus 3 upon 2, that is 4 into 1 upon 2, that is 2 divided 2 to the 4, 2 diagonal. And here this is hexagon, 6, n equal to 6, you will put n into n minus 3 upon 2, you will put n equal to 6, 6 into 6 minus 3 upon 2. So 6 into 3 upon 2, 6 minus 3, that is 3. 2 3 is 6, that is 3 multiplied by 3, that is 9. You can find the diagonals of any polygon by this formula. And because triangle, all the vertices are consecutive vertices. Both vertices are consecutive, so there is no diagonal in triangle. Now question number 3. What is the sum of the measures of the angles of a convex quadrilateral? Will this property hold if the quadrilateral is not convex? Make non-convex quadrilateral and try. First of all, what is the sum of the measures of angles of a convex quadrilateral? Here solution is, this is convex quadrilateral because all the angles are less than, interior angle are less than 180 degree, so it is convex quadrilateral. And we can divide this AB, C, D into two triangles, and sum of the angles of these two triangles, angle 180 of this, sum of this angle plus this 180, that is 360. So what is the sum of the measures of angle of convex? To 360 degree. Second, will this property hold if the quadrilateral is not convex? See here, this is a quadrilateral which is not convex because four sides are there, P, Q, R and S. 1, 2, 3, 4 side. This is quadrilateral because 4 sides are there. And you can also divide this quadrilateral into two triangles. This angle and this angle. And in next triangle, this angle, this angle, and this angle. And sum of two angles 100. This angle sum property of triangle 180 degree plus 180 degree. That is 360 degree. Both the angles, both the quadrilateral have, whether it is convex or whether it is concave, the sum of the angles of the quadrilateral will be 360 degree. Dear student, now question number 4. Examine the table. Each figure is divided into triangles and sum of the angles deduced from that. Here is triangle, this is quadrilateral, this is pentagon, hexagon, and now side are in triangle there is 3 side, quadrilateral 4 side, pentagon 5 side, and hexagon 6 side. And this triangle is triangle 1 into 180, that is 180 sum of the angles. It is divided into two triangles, so the sum of 2 multiplied by 180, and that is 360 degree. And now this is pentagon, and this is divided into 3 triangle, 1, 2, 3 triangle, and the sum of the angles of pentagon 3 multiplied by 180, you can write 5 minus 2, that is 3, 180, that is 540 degree. And now this is hexagon, and the sum of the hexagon is 4 multiplied by, it is divided by into 4 triangle, 1, 2, 3, 4 triangle, and 6 minus 2, that is 4, 4 multiplied by 180, that is 720 degree. And now what can you say about the angles of a convex polygon which number of side is A 7, B 8, C 10, and D equal to n? We can conclude that if the side is 3, we can write 180, and side is 2, we can write side is 4, we can write 4 minus 2, that is 2 into 180, and side is 3, we can write, side is 5, we can write 5 minus 2, that is 3 multiplied by 180 degrees. Side is 6, 6 minus 2, that is 4. Likewise, A, solution of A, if side is 7, then 7 minus 2 multiplied by 180 degree, that is 5 multiplied by 180 degree, that is 900 degree. And now B part is, dear student, are you getting my point? Now if the side is 8, then 8 minus 2 into 180 degree, that is 6 multiplied by 180 degree, 1080 इतने डिग्री. अब B part, C part, if the side is 10, then 10 minus 2 into 180 degree. 10 minus 2 into 180 degree, that is 8 into 180 degree. 1440 degree. And if the side is n, you can write n minus 2 into 180 degree, or n minus 2 multiplied by 180 degree. This is the formula of finding the sum of the angles of a polygon. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.